Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Gemini sa December 15, 2024, 5:01 p.m. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like and share this video. And mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, this reading is maaring mas maka-resonate dito yung mga Pisces risings. Okay? So for you Pisces, full moon in Gemini is happening in your 4th house of your family, home life, your foundation. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, may mga changes na gagawin regarding your family or your home life. So yung iba, this is related to your house. You may be letting go of a house na sa tingin mo kailangan mo nang i-let go kasi there is a new opportunity for you elsewhere, like may lilipat ng bahay or ibibenta niyo yung bahay niyo. Yung iba naman, this can be changes in the arrangement sa bahay. Let's say magre-redecorate ka, magre-renovate ka. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, so there is some sort of expansion or improvement, no, when it comes to your home life. There's isang aspect dito which is a challenging aspect to your 10th house, which is your career. So, pwede kasi nagkakaroon ng conflict yung oras panahon mo sa trabaho, sa career mo, and your family. No? Yung tipong hindi ka makapagtrabaho kasi kailangan mo asikasuhin yung family mo. Hindi mo maasikaso yung family mo dahil may trabaho ka. So, 'di ba? It's about balancing your priorities, your energy, your availability. Meron din tong challenging aspect sa Neptune, which is in your 1st house. So, I think kasi ngayon you have a lot of ideas, marami kang mga naiisip na pwede mong gawin na pagbabago sa lifestyle mo, sa situation mo. Let's say you are working sa office or nagtatrabaho ka, empleyado ka, and naisip mo na baka kailangan mong ng trabaho na work from home or online na hindi mo kailangang umalis ng bahay. So, kumbaga nagtatalo yung yung mga ideas, mga iniisip mo. Pwede rin namang reversal 'yan na work from home ka tapos feeling stuck ka na sa bahay. Gusto mo rin naman ngayon lumabas, gusto mong mag-explore, gusto mong lumipat ng trabaho na kung saan araw-araw papasok ka sa work. Alam mo yun, yung ganong proseso. Pwedeng yun ay namimiss mo na or gusto mong ma-experience na. Kaya parang ikaw mismo, meron kang conflict within yourself. Kasi pwedeng nagkakaroon ka na rin ng self-sabotage na pareho nagsasuffer, like yung home life, yung family life, and then your career. Dahil nga, iniisip mo, alin ang uunahin mo sa dalawa? Alin yung bibigyan mo ng attention? Kaya, importante rin dito yung support system, no? Na there is someone, like a family member, a loved one, or someone na tutulong sa'yo to make things happen and to balance your time and your energy. Kasi sa ngayon, meron kang gustong i-improve sa sarili mo. Gusto mong may magbago sa'yo. And, lalo na yung may mga anak na, no? Tapos, you are also, especially solo parent, no? Mahirap na mag-run ng family nang mag-isa ka lang. Kailangan mo ng suporta ng iba, like yung nanay mo, tatay mo, or someone na who will help you manage the day-to-day life sa bahay. When it comes to your career path, I think you want to explore other ways to earn money na mas magkakaroon ka ng freedom, ng kalayaan, na hindi ka nakatali sa isang oras, nakatali sa oras. So, yun yung iniisip mo ngayon kung paano mo ito masusolusyonan. Marami kang ideas eh. And I think ngayon since Saturn is still in your first house, may mga limitations ka pa. But actually, eventually, magbabago yan. Kasi si Saturn naalis na siya sa first house. So, maaring makakadiskarte ka na sa mga susunod na buwan. You have the Fool, which is a new beginning. 5 of Pentacles, the Sun. So, meron kang masusolusyonan na problema pagdating sa pera kung kayo ay nagsistruggle financially. You have the Sun here. So, this can be, magagawan mo ng paraan. May susubukan kang trabaho or other source of income na masusolusyonan mo yung challenge sa finances mo. I think you are also taking some risk or wanting to have a new job or career. With the Strength card. Yes, the Devil. Okay. Kasi yung iba, you have unhealthy habits na kailangan yung i-let go. Mahirap man siya, pero mamili ka. Sabi nga choose your hard. 'Di ba? Kung parang magtsatsaga ka ba sa mahirap na kalagayan o magtatrabaho ka para mas guminhawa yung buhay mo, 'di ba? So, some of you are leaving this situation, maaring meron kayong ini-explore ngayon. Someone is also helping you. Maaring ito rin ay sarili mo. Ikaw rin ang tutulong sa sarili mo to overcome, especially if you're struggling with money, with your career, and family. The answers you need are coming. Ayan, magkakaroon ka na ng clarity, Pisces. Assess the situation, yes. Pinag-aaralan mo yung sitwasyon mo, ano yung kailangan gawin. And eventually, you will know. You're going to step into your own power. Marirealize mo kung gaano ka kagaling, gaano ka talented, gaano ka powerful to resolve any issues or problems na kinakaharap mo. Maglalakas loob ka. I think may mga solution kang gagawin dito para mapagsabay mo or ma-manage mo yung time mo, yung energy mo sa trabaho, sa family, sa career. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.